Hi viewers. Today we're making a flowery kiwi dessert. Exotic. First, I will show you how to make the dessert. Then I will show you how to make the main ingredient of this dessert from scratch. Scoop a generous serving of yogurt into a bowl. Work the yogurt with a spoon to cover the bottom of the bowl. Also, work the yogurt to create an uneven tower. Fill a tiny jar with just enough kiwi syrup for one serving. Make sure there is more chunk and less liquid. You don't want to drench the yogurt. Make sure there are ample kiwi seeds. They look beautiful on yogurt. Gently pour kiwi syrup on the top of the tower, allowing it to flow halfway down the yogurt. You see how firm double cream plain yogurt is? Stick a slice of fresh kiwi in a prominent spot on the dessert. And another kiwi slice. Decorate the dessert with edible flowers of different colors. I thought these deep purple, yellow and burgundy flowers look good against green and white. Now, get a couple of fresh kiwis, let's make kiwi syrup. You can also use kiwi syrup for kiwi mocktail. See the video of non-alcoholic kiwi cocktail in this channel. Peel kiwis and slice them into circles. Cut kiwi circles into pieces. Same as you cut pizza. You're going to use a bowl of kiwi, a bowl of sugar, and an airtight glass jar. Add 2 large spoons of sugar into the jar. Add 2 large spoons of kiwi. Alternate sugar and kiwi in this way until the jar is full. Cover the last kiwi with sugar. Close the jar and shake. Store the jar in a cool place, preferably overnight. Shake the jar periodically to dissolve the sugar. Alternatively, stir to dissolve sugar. Your syrup is ready to use once sugar is completely dissolved. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.